Next, you just want to check to make sure the size of your sweep is correct. This one is. So when you're applying these sweeps, you want to make sure you're compressed. Go ahead and push up on it where you see pretty good compression. If you are too low, clearly you'll be able to see daylight from the inside of the house looking out. Too low where there's no compression means daylight. Push up on the sweep until it's compressed. Start screwing it in. Once you get your hole made, just make sure that side is compressed. So there's a couple things you need to watch out for. There's a corner key that sticks out about 2.5 to 3 inches right here. If you go trying to drill into that, you could hit that, and that would cause your screw to snap. So what I like to do is I like to come just outside of it. You don't have to follow, because you made a cut, you don't have to follow the screw locations they gave you. You can make your own. So what I like to do is continue from the same side. Push up. I'm on the end. Right here, which is on the screw location. I'm going to be cutting the sweep cap. I usually cut it like a 30-second longer, just so you know you don't see any of the anodized sweep itself on either side. We're going to be applying the cap. So the way the cap works is you want the flat, the little L, the bottom of the L, away from the sweeps. So the correct direction is this way. I usually pop in the top a little bit, line myself up where I need to be. Start from the top, and the bottom pops in. You can start from either end or the middle. Just hit it with a rubber mallet. It pops right in. And you have a sweep.